In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack. Sometimes you start a conversation in Slack and realize later that someone else needs to be included. Maybe it's a teammate who should see the decisions being made, or a manager who needs context. Instead of copying and pasting messages or starting a brand new thread, Slack lets you bring that person directly into the existing conversation, so they can catch up on what's already been said and continue from there. First, open Slack and go to the conversation where you want to add someone. This can be either a direct message with one other person or an existing group conversation with multiple people. Make sure you've clicked into that specific chat so you're viewing the messages you want them to see. Next, look at the top of the screen where you see the conversation name or the list of people in the chat. Here you'll usually see profile pictures or initials of the people who are part of that conversation. Click on that area at the top. This opens the Conversation Details panel, where you can manage who's included. Inside this panel, look for an option that lets you add people. On most versions of Slack, this appears as a button or link that says something like Add People, or shows a plus sign near the participant list. Go ahead and click that. A box will pop up asking you who you want to add. Start typing the name of the person you want to bring into the conversation. Slack will show matching coworkers or members of your workspace. Select the correct person from the list. If your workspace is large, take a second to double-check that you're choosing the right person with the right team or department. Now, Slack will usually ask whether you want the new person to see the entire conversation history, or only the messages from this point forward. This is important for privacy and context. If the previous messages are relevant and don't contain anything sensitive, you might choose to share the history so they can read back and fully understand the discussion. If the earlier conversation was private or not necessary for them to see, choose the option to include them only from now on. Once you've made that choice, confirm by clicking the button to add them. After a moment, they'll appear in the list of participants at the top of the conversation. It's a good idea to send a quick message to welcome them and summarize what's going on, so they know why they were added and what you need from them.